It all began on a slow afternoon, the kind of day where time feels gentle and unhurried. The sun filtered softly through the window, the room was quiet, and there was a small ball of yarn resting on the table, waiting. I picked up a crochet hook without any big plan in mind, just curiosity. One loop turned into another, then another, and before I realized it, something beautiful was taking shape. That moment taught me something important. Crochet isn't just about making things, it's about the feeling you get while creating them. That feeling is what brings us together today. Welcome, dear friends and fellow creators. Today, we're stepping into the warm, inspiring world of crochet tutorials and handmade items. This is a space where beginners are encouraged, experienced hands feel refreshed, and creativity flows freely. Whether this is your first time holding a hook or you've been crocheting for years, there's a place for you here, and there's always something new to learn. The best crochet tutorials always start with kindness and patience. They understand that everyone learns at a different pace. Instead of rushing, they guide you gently, helping you feel comfortable from the very beginning. They show you how to choose the right yarn, explaining why soft cotton yarn is perfect for beginners, or why acrylic yarn is great for practice and durability. They teach you how to hold your hook in a way that feels natural, how to relax your hands, and how to let go of the fear of making mistakes. Crochet is forgiving, and the best tutorials remind you of that again and again. At the heart of crochet tutorials are the basic stitches, the foundation of everything you will ever create. The chain stitch is often the very first step, followed by single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. These stitches are like learning letters before forming words. Once you understand them, an entire language opens up. Great tutorials take their time here, showing you exactly where to place your hook, how to pull through loops smoothly, and how to keep your stitches even. They also reassure you that uneven stitches are normal in the beginning and that practice brings confidence. As your hands become more familiar with the rhythm of stitching, tutorials naturally move towards small handmade projects. This is where excitement grows. Simple items like coasters, dishcloths, mug cozies, or face scrubbies are often the first completed projects. These items are small, practical, and incredibly rewarding. They teach important skills like maintaining tension, counting stitches, and finishing edges neatly. Best of all, you can use them in your daily life, a constant reminder of what your hands can create. Crochet tutorials for home decor are especially loved because they transform living spaces into warm, personal environments. Handmade cushion covers, table runners, wall hangings, playmats, and storage baskets add charm and character to any home. The best tutorials explain how to choose colors that complement your space, how to repeat stitch patterns evenly, and how to finish your work so it looks clean and professional. These projects show how crochet can turn a house into a home filled with comfort and creativity. Baby crochet tutorials hold a special place in many hearts. Soft blankets, tiny booties, hats, cardigans, and nursery decor items are created with extra care and love. The best tutorials in this area focus on gentle stitches, soft yarns, and clear sizing instructions. They guide you step by step, ensuring smooth edges and secure finishes. Crocheting for babies feels meaningful because every stitch carries warmth, protection, and affection. Crocheting for fashion opens the door to wearable creativity. Handmade tops, shawls, scarves, bags, cardigans, and even dresses allow you to express your personal style. Great fashion tutorials explain measurements clearly and show how to adjust patterns to fit different body shapes. They encourage experimentation with colors, textures, and stitch combinations. Wearing something you made with your own hands brings a sense of pride and confidence that can't be bought in a store. One of the most important parts of crochet tutorials is learning how to read and understand patterns. At first, patterns can look confusing, filled with abbreviations and symbols. Friendly tutorials break them down slowly, explaining what each term means and how repeats work. Over time, you begin to see patterns as helpful guides rather than obstacles. Once you understand them, you gain the freedom to explore endless designs and even create your own. Handmade crochet items carry deep meaning. Each piece represents time, patience, and care. Tutorials that focus on handmade items often talk about the joy of gifting. A handmade blanket, scarf, or bag isn't just a present, it's a story. It shows thoughtfulness, effort, and love. These items become keepsakes, often cherished for years. The best crochet tutorials also share small tips that make a big difference. They show you how to fix common mistakes, like correcting a dropped stitch or straightening uneven edges. They explain how to count stitches properly and how to avoid curling or stretching. These little lessons save time and reduce frustration, making the learning process smoother and more enjoyable. Finishing techniques are another key part of great tutorials. Blocking, weaving in ends, sewing pieces together, adding borders, and attaching buttons or decorations all help elevate your work. These finishing touches turn simple projects into polished pieces. Clear, friendly explanations make these finishing touches feel achievable rather than intimidating. Crochet is not only creative, it's also healing. Many tutorials gently encourage viewers to slow down and enjoy the rhythm of stitching. Crochet can ease stress, calm the mind, and improve focus. It gives a sense of accomplishment, even on difficult days. Sitting quietly with yarn and a hook can be a form of self-care, a way to reconnect with yourself. For those who dream of turning crochet into a source of income, tutorials often include advice on selling handmade items. They talk about choosing popular designs, pricing fairly, taking clear photos, and maintaining consistent quality. They encourage creators to value their time and skill. Handmade crochet is special because it's unique, and tutorials help viewers understand that their work deserves appreciation. Crochet also creates community. The best tutorials remind viewers that they are not alone. Millions of people around the world share this craft. They encourage questions, sharing progress, and supporting one another. Crochet becomes more than a hobby. It becomes a connection between people who love creating with their hands. As you explore more tutorials, your personal style begins to emerge. You may find yourself